Steven, and I'm the cashier at the local grocery store.
And I'm Anita, Avery's therapist. She likes to call me her pal.
Hi, sir. This will be all for today.
All right, your total will be $487. You saved $78.23. Congrats.
I saved 94% today.
How'd you do that? You're like a human calculator or something.
My therapist, Anita, calls it obsession. I just call it the love for saving. It has given me a lot of time, and I always like to know how much I save. In a percent.
Whoa, sis! Can you do this with fractions too?
I don't have too much use for fractions because decimals or percents are used more commonly in the real world. But it's easy as pie, and I don't mean the math kind.
Avery, why didn't you ever tell me you knew this much about math? I asked to know everything about you at our first session.
Whoops, it slipped my mind.
Wait, so how do you go from decimals to percentage to fractions? I was never good at math.
Ask Avery since she seems to know everything about math.
Well, you see, to convert a decimal to a fraction, you have to put the decimal over the 1. Then you multiply both the top and the bottom by 10 for every number that the decimal point after the decimal point. Then if you can simplify and reduce the fraction.
Oh, wow! If you know how to do that, you must know how to convert a decimal into a percent.
Yeah, all you have to do is move the decimal over 2 places to the left and add % sign at the end.
Wow! That's awesome!
Okay, Avery, I'll give it to you. You're quite the master.
I agree. I guess your extreme lifestyle, to say the least, really is beneficial.
Thanks, y'all.
All right, guys, have a nice day. This patient customer has been waiting in line for quite some time.
Bye!
Wow, Avery, we've learned so many new things about you today. I was wondering if you could teach us a little bit more about math.
Well, we can learn some more about percentages.
Sounds like fun. Wait, why is the store clerk here?
For moral support.
Well, okay.
Okay, I want to go back to college, even though I dropped out. Please teach me. I want to have a house in the mountains and kids, but I can't do that if I don't know how to reciprocal.
Reciprocating is easy. You multiply the number by the number it takes to make it 1. 5/8 would be 8/5. Sometimes I can't believe how simple fractions are.
Now speak for yourself.
No cheers, no jeers, no tears, no sharing with peers. Remember, that's what our middle school math teacher used to say.
Yeah, he did.
Okay, how else can we use percentages, fractions, and decimals in real life besides shopping?
Well, you can use them for banking, averaging, designing, cooking, and many sports analysis use them to calculate statistics.
I've always wanted to be a sportscaster. It looks like I'm done for.
Not with that attitude. I bet my sister would be glad to tutor you.
It would come with a price. Everything I buy from you would have to be 30% off.
It's not technically legal, but I could talk to my manager.
Quick, what's 30% as a fraction or a decimal?
It's 31/100ths and 0.30.
And does that reduce?
Well, it's 15/50 if you divide both sides by 2, and so it's 3/10.
Good job, Stephen. And what's 30% of 45?
You just use a proportion. 30 divided by 100 equals x divided by 45, which equals 13.5.
Wow, Stephen, you've really improved. You should be back in college in no time.
Well, watch out, trigonometry. Here I come.
You might want to get through algebra first.
Algebra?
We'll save that for another day. Anita.
A sneezer?
Grocery store.
And I'm Anita. I think that worked.
Well, that's filmed.
Okay, that was filmed. Oh, is that your tomato?
It's not being filmed.
What?
Was that?
Get off of me! That's
Anita, it's your
Hey,
word, Steven.
Oh yeah, it
You
was.
can't put that in blue because that's a banned word.
Is
It's a bad word in room 805.
806?